issues with being able to clone the Bitcoin source code. Now this out. So what we need to do next is to get the source code, that's this particular one, and then do the various thing that we need to do to make sure we have our own coin, the Gaskin coin. So what we need to do, since I'm using a Chromebook laptop, I have Chronos installed, which is this. I have this installed. So what I'll do now is to enter share, um, and then sudo enter chrome chroot. So is there. So this now our operating system that we're going to use, which is Ubuntu. So this, I'm in the Ubuntu share right now. This is Ubuntu share. So if I do lx, that's to list the various file lx. So I'm going to choose where I'm going to download it into. Let's see if I have Bitcoin there. No. Okay, so what I'll do next is to get this source code. Click here, clone or download. You click it, click, and then click, and then do git clone this. So you see cloning into Gaskin coin. So I'll use git clone. So it's cloning. So what we have to do is to wait for it to finish.